In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the count function in LibreOffice Calc in a quick and easy way. If you work with spreadsheets and need to count how many cells contain numbers, this is one of the simplest formulas you can learn, and it can save you a lot of time. Whether you're tracking data, handling records, or organizing a list, count helps you get the total number of numeric cells in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have a spreadsheet file you want to work on, you can open that as well. But if you're starting from scratch, on the left side under Create, click Calc Spreadsheet. This will open a new spreadsheet where you can try the count function yourself. Now that your spreadsheet is open, click the cell where you want the result to appear. This is important because the formula will return the count right in that selected cell. For example, you might want the result at the bottom of a list beside a summary table or in a blank area at the top of your sheet. Next, type equal count and then an opening parenthesis, so it should look like equals count open parenthesis. This tells LibreOffice Calc that you want to use the count formula. After that, you need to select the cells you want to count. You can click and drag across the range of cells, or you can manually type the cell range if you already know it. For example, if your numbers are in a column from A1 to A10, you would select that range, and the formula will automatically include those cells. Once your range is selected, type a closing parenthesis. So the full formula will look something like equals count open parenthesis A1 colon A10 close parenthesis. Then press enter on your keyboard. LibreOffice Calc will now calculate the result and display the number of cells in that range that contain numeric values. That means count does not count text, blank cells, or most non-numeric entries. It only counts cells with numbers, which makes it perfect for summaries, reports, and data checks. If you want to count multiple areas, you can do that too by including more than one range inside the formula. This can be useful if your data is split into different sections of the spreadsheet. The key thing to remember is that count is specifically for numeric values, so if you need to count text entries instead, you would need a different function. A quick tip here, if your result looks wrong, double check the selected cells and make sure they actually contain numbers. Sometimes a number stored as text will not be counted by count, so it's always worth reviewing your data if the total seems off. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the count function in LibreOffice Calc. It's fast, simple, and incredibly useful whenever you need to count numeric cells in a spreadsheet. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.